Unraveling the term, lawbreaker, a guide to English legal vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we'll delve into a word that you might come across in news, legal dramas, or when discussing rules and regulations, lawbreaker. Stick around to understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in conversation. So, let's crack the code on lawbreakers together. A lawbreaker is someone who does exactly what the word suggests, breaks the law. This term applies to anyone who acts against the laws of a place, whether it's a minor offense like jaywalking or something major like robbery. It's a straightforward term composed of two parts: law, referring to the legal rules, and breaker, which means someone who violates or does not follow something. Understanding a word's history can often give us deeper insight into its meaning. The term lawbreaker is formed by combining law, which comes from Old English lagu, meaning a fixed set of rules, and breaker, from the verb break, which in its use as breaking the law, dates back to the mid-15th century. Together, they form a noun describing a person who violates these set rules. Now, let's put our word into action. Here are some examples. After several parking violations, he was labeled a lawbreaker by the local authorities. The new regulations are strict, and unintentional lawbreakers might find themselves facing heavy fines. In superhero movies, the heroes fight against lawbreakers to save the day. Notice that lawbreaker is often used in formal contexts and discussions about legal matters. To expand your vocabulary, it's helpful to know some synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms: offender, criminal, felon, delinquent. Antonyms: law-abiding citizen, conformist, obedient individual. By learning these, you can understand the different nuances when discussing someone's relationship with the law. For English language learners, grasping terms like lawbreaker is key to understanding news and participating in discussions about justice or crime. It helps in comprehending the severity of actions within a legal context and enhances descriptive language skills. That's all for today. I hope this video helps you understand what a lawbreaker is and how you can use the term in your daily English practice. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is a journey, and we're here to help you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.